I mean, old, new. Hey, what's going on, Like Per Tackle fam? Just wanted to get on here and show y'all a little cool thing that a lot of people don't realize that happens to your reels. Now, I've got a customer, Statula 80 here, and you know, when we got this back, we had to replace a part on it, but this is something that really bothers me, especially when I'm reeling day in and day out with my reels. And this isn't just a Daiwa, this can be Shimano or Luz or Aber Garcia. But a lot of the time, manufacturers skip out on the bearings inside of the knobs here. And a lot of the time, most of these don't actually have two bearings. A lot of them actually only have one bearing, which can really cause a lot of just vibration and a sense of the reel not being ultra smooth. So what I've done here is I left one of the stock ones on, and this has been used. I mean, you can tell, I mean, a lot of that finish is worn off. It's nice and glossy now off this reel, but we are going to take a look at how this one spins. So we're going to give it a nice flick. So overall, it has a good speed, but it's not, you know, it's not lasting a long time. There's a lot of vibration in there. You can probably hear it as well inside of there, and that is because this actually uses one bearing and one bushing. So here's the bushing. It's actually a metal bushing, but it doesn't have a rotating centerpiece to make it a bearing. Now, the top piece right here, this is the bearing that it uses, and it does have a sealed piece on it, which does add longevity. Now, when it comes to these guys right here, these are amazing for long distance casting, and you do want to regularly maintenance these with real oil, not grease, oil, and that will allow these to keep spinning for a long time at really high speeds. So we're gonna break this open, replace the bearings in here in this knob, clean it out a little bit, and I'll show y'all just how much this difference can be. All right, so I've taken, again, this little knob piece off. I mean, it's pretty gunky in there. It has a lot of just residue from probably water in it. And again, looking at the bushing here, I mean, it doesn't rotate, but it is still metal, so it's kind of interesting. This one is an actual bearing. Like I said, it is sealed in there, and that's just the cap. That's the screw that holds it all on the shaft right there. So let's go ahead and get these out and replace them. All right, so this specific pack that we have comes in a pack of 4, and this allows you to do, if it does have a bearing and a bushing and you want to replace both of them, it allows you to do that on one reel. They do have an option that only has one set, so 2 bearings on it, but we decided to just make it easy and less work for y'all. So we're gonna pop these out here, and what we're gonna do is installing them on the knob itself. We're just gonna take it, try to touch it as little as possible, set it right on there, just like so. And then on the bottom one, do the same thing, drop it right on here, just try to get it nice and lined up. You can press it in with like a little screwdriver deal like this, and you're basically all set. That's literally all the work that is required for that. Now, you can easily just as well also put on a little washer piece there, but also not required. This one you will need to press in just a little bit to get around the knob piece. And what I like to do as well is I'll stick that in, and everything should tighten down nice and easy once it finds its mark. There we go, almost there. This one does take a little extra. Unlike the Shimano's, this one actually tightens down a good amount. So that is now fully installed, and this literally only took like a minute to actually fully install, and I can feel a major difference. So this is the one we changed, and then this is the stock one. So listen carefully, guys. Here is the stock from use. I mean, it makes a good amount of noise. And then here's the one with the Goldworks bearings, the Takumi bearing series, and more specifically, the Jitten type ultra high speed model. Here you go. I mean, ultra smooth. It's not going to spin super fast, but I mean, it is ultra smooth, ultra quiet, and I can tell a big difference. And one thing I want to do is actually replace the whole spool bearing system to make this reel ultra smooth, ultra high performance. I mean, old, new. Can't even hear it. Major difference, guys. Make sure to check them out. LakeProTackle.com, Goldworks, Takumi Bearing Series. Make sure to get the Jitten type, self-rotating ultra high speed. And I am working on a little graphic to tell you exactly which ones you need for which reel, because we do have the 8x5 or 850 and 740, and each one is a little bit different. So make sure to check them out, LakeProTackle.com.